Unraveling the art of organizing information for synthesis. Hello, learners. Today we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of English language learning. We're going to talk about how to organize information effectively. This skill is essential for our understanding and synthesizing different pieces of information from various sources. So, let's get started. Before we dive into how to organize information, let's first understand why it's so important. When we read or listen to information from different sources, it can often feel like we're drowning in a sea of facts, arguments, and ideas. Organizing these pieces of information allows us to make sense of them, see connections and relationships, and use them to build our own understanding or argument. In essence, it's a vital step in the process of synthesis. The first step in organizing information is identifying the key points. These could be the main arguments, the main ideas, the supporting evidence, or any other important details. Think of it like picking up the puzzle pieces before you start putting them together. As you read or listen, always keep a lookout for these key points, and jot them down if possible. Once you have your key points, the next step is to group them together. You could group them based on their relevance to your main topic, their similarities and differences, or any other logical relationship. This helps you see the bigger picture, understand the overall structure of the information, and it also provides a basis for your own synthesis. Now that you've grouped your information, the next step is to create an outline or a mind map. This will help you visually organize the information, making it easier to understand and remember. An outline is a hierarchical structure that shows the relationships between your groups of information. A mind map, on the other hand, is a graphical representation that shows the relationships between different pieces of information. Finally, once you have your outline or mind map, the next step is to summarize and paraphrase the information in your own words. This not only helps you better understand the information but also prepares you for the final step of synthesis, where you combine and integrate this information to produce something new. There you have it, learners. Remember, organizing information is a key step in the process of synthesizing information and ideas. It involves identifying key points, grouping them together, creating an outline or a mind map, and summarizing and paraphrasing the information. Practice these steps, and you'll find that synthesizing information becomes a whole lot easier. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.